Statement number 4. Get to know yourself. You are you because the universe needs someone like you. In life, it can be easy to let others prescribe traits to us. We often look to others to tell us who we are, how we are meant to function in society. People never tell you that if you function as yourself, you will automatically be functioning how you're meant to function. If you know who that is, you can stand confident in that knowledge of self. When people tell you you need to change, they are telling you to fit the mold they believe in. They want to make you make sense to them, not you. When you know who you are, you can see that. When you know who you are, you'll start to gather people in your life that support you. Those that try to change and manipulate others will fall away because they know their efforts to control you are futile. If you feel uncertain about who you are, spend time alone. Sometimes the noise outside is so loud. It's hard to tell which voice is actually ours. Focus on the things that bring you joy, not what others say will make you happy. Try new things. Sometimes you don't know who you are because you've been stuck in someone else's frame. You have no idea who you are because you haven't met you yet. So take some time to get to know yourself. That's the only way the world will get to know you. That's the only way you'll be happy with you.